Fire safety. It isn't something you spend a lot of time worrying about. But if you think horror movies are scary, a house fire is a nightmare scenario more terrifying than anything you can imagine. Fortunately, no matter where you live in Mississauga, there are simple safety tips you can follow to prevent fires from happening in your home. The first tip is knowing that any device that runs on lithium-ion batteries, things like cell phones, tablets, e-bikes, e-scooters, and hoverboards, can become serious fire hazards if they're not properly charged, used, or stored, or if they become damaged. When you charge your devices, don't put them on soft surfaces like bed sheets or couch cushions that can become fuel for a fire. Place them on hard surfaces such as countertops or tables. Only use charging cords that are made for your device, and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for use. Don't overcharge your devices, as this can cause batteries to overheat. Store bikes, e-scooters, and hoverboards away from exits and away from objects that can burn. And never store lithium-ion batteries in areas where extreme heat or cold can damage them. If you notice an odor, a change in color, too much heat, a change in shape, leakage, or odd noises coming from a lithium-ion battery device, get outside to safety and call 911 immediately. Microwaves may seem like no big deal, but fires can still happen with this appliance and can spread quickly. To prevent a fire in your kitchen, make sure an adult is close by whenever you use the microwave. Only use containers that are microwave safe. Follow cooking instructions every time. Stay in the kitchen when the microwave is being used so you can keep an eye on it. And never put metal inside a microwave, as it will spark and could cause a fire. Beyond preventing fires, the ability to detect fires if they happen and how to escape your home are just as important. Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms are life-saving devices that give an early warning when there is smoke or carbon monoxide inside a home. Their alerts give people enough time to escape the home safely and call 911. These devices are so important that it's the law to have working smoke alarms on every story of your home and outside of all areas where people sleep. Smoke alarms beep 3 times and let us know there could be a fire in the home. When you hear the alarm, do these 4 things. Stop what you're doing. Find the closest and safest exit. Go outside quickly. Call 911 from your safe meeting place. Carbon monoxide alarms are required outside of all sleeping areas in all homes that have a fireplace, have an appliance that uses natural gas, or have a garage that is attached to the home. Carbon monoxide is a dangerous threat because it's a toxic gas, which makes it unsafe for us to breathe in, even in small amounts. Try looking for carbon monoxide gas and you won't find it. That's because you can't see it, smell it, or taste it. So if you have a carbon monoxide alarm at home, there should be one placed outside of all areas where people sleep. A carbon monoxide alarm beeps 4 times. When you hear it activate, follow the same 4 steps as when a smoke alarm sounds. Stop what you're doing, find the closest and safest exit, go outside quickly, call 911 from your safe meeting place. All of these alarms should be tested by an adult once per month, so remind your parents or guardians today that only working alarms can save lives. In the same way fire drills are run in schools to keep students prepared, having an escape plan for emergencies at home is equally important. Here's how to make your own escape plan with all the members of your home. Draw a map of your home, labeling all the windows and doors. Where possible, mark down 2 ways out of each room. A window on a ground floor can also be used to escape in an emergency. Decide on a safe meeting place outside and in front of your home. Your meeting place should be something that does not move. A good choice would be a tree across the street or a mailbox. Then, practice your plan. Do a run-through twice per year with all the members of your household. Like the fire drills at school, the more we practice at home, the more prepared we'll feel for a real emergency. Prevent, detect, escape. Being mindful and having a plan is all you need to secure your home. Make fire safety a priority today and give yourself one less thing to have nightmares over.